Explore the Safety Reports page. The Safety Reports page helps you review and analyze safety-related alerts across your fleet. To begin, click Build New Report in the top right corner. Use the drop-down to choose different safety report views, such as alerts or other safety-focused datasets. This allows you to tailor the report to the specific safety insights you need. The Group By filter allows you to organize safety data by driver, vehicle, or other categories. This makes it easier to compare performance and identify high-risk patterns. Use the Vehicle and Driver filters to narrow your report results. This helps you focus on specific drivers or vehicles when investigating safety events or monitoring performance. Customize which drivers you want to include in this safety report. Select specific alert types to refine the report and focus on certain safety events, such as harsh driving or distraction alerts. Choose a custom date range to analyze safety performance during a specific time frame. This is useful for reviewing recent activity or comparing historical trends. Click Run Report to generate results based on your selected filters and report settings. Save your report configuration to quickly access frequently used safety reports without resetting filters. Export report results for offline review, sharing, or additional analysis. You can either export the report as a CSV or a PDF. Schedule safety reports to run automatically and be delivered at regular intervals, helping you stay proactive with fleet safety monitoring. Press the Submit button to lock in scheduled reporting. You've completed your tour of the Safety Reports page. If you have any questions, feel free to consult our step-by-step guide.